I'm Carson Lee. I'm now in the fireworks factory, Xinhe. Do you guys know this factory? They are mainly making cakes and canisters for European and American market. And as what I've heard, they have about 280 workers. They make 200 to 300,000 cases of fireworks. I'm gonna show you today of the factory and of all the details of how to make fireworks and everything. So stay tuned. So you can't get inside. Actually, they have these facial recognition. He's asking me where I'm from and what I'm doing here. So would you please help me? Usually, every time when we visit factories, and we're gonna get a factory manager or factory like supervisor to follow us or to guide us in the factory. So 你可以帮我识别一下？可以 ，OK。你已经打开了 ，OK。So very good facial recognition machine. So this is something like a high tech now in the. And 我要签名字是吗？签名字、签日期、签时间。OK。请问有没有打火机？没有。I don't smoke. He's asking me if I do have a lighter, but I don't smoke. So, Hui, follow me! Oh! Hi. This is a huge factory. You can run here all day from the morning to the night and have a great exercise. So follow me inside the warehouse, inside the production line, and I'm tired. Fireworks are made with the paper like this. So they move from far away from another province and they travel all the way here, and they're gonna cut it and roll it by the machine to make a paper tube. We're now in a paper rolling factory, workshop to see how the paper tubes are made. Once the tubes are made, either they will put under the sunshine, they will actually move to the baking room and to leave them overnight to dry them. Magic! Woo! You can feel a lot of heat here. So the tubes are made, are dried, and to make sure that all cakes are not humid once they're in production. Once the tubes are dry enough, and the factories will do the next step, like pressing the clay by the machine. So in past 5 or 10 years, usually people are doing this by hand, but you know, the industry is actually progressing, and everything is made by mold. And let's see what he's doing and how fast he can do the pressing. Okay. See, 100% good. It's kind of noisy here. We are now in the assembling workshop, and they are making the firework cake automatically. So this is cool. Okay guys, I am in front of the warehouse of the factory, and they've got 2 massive warehouses like this. Let me show you inside. So I'm now standing at a platform in front of the warehouse, and they've got 2 of this platform here. And basically when they start loading containers, all the containers will stop in front of the platform, and they will start loading over here. Hello guys, I'm now inside of the warehouse, and this is actually a 500 square meter warehouse, and usually they load about, no they don't load, but they store about maximum 10 containers in such kind of warehouse. And as you can see, they have the waterproof and fireproof roof, and they've made special treatment on the floor as well to avoid moisture. And as you can see, the line on the top of the wall, they have some regulation. They cannot actually store the cartons over 2.5 meter. Guess what? This is actually a gap prepared for CIQ testing, for mass production testing, for AFSO testing, or maybe for module E testing. So you can actually go inside all the way path, and you can sampling any product here and to do testing. I see a guy working in the warehouse, so let's see what he's doing. 你好。哦
Hello, 你好。
你怎么在这儿？ Usually he's not here, but let's 介绍一下你自己 ，introduce yourself.
大家好，我是星鹅厂那个质量总监。
He's the okay. He's actually the quality manager. Super quality manager of the factory, so he's actually not working here. Okay. What he's doing is that he's doing a second check over or beyond the warehouse manager. He's checking the details on the cartons, of the warnings and labeling, if the cartons is broken or not. So if he finds any improper cartons or packaging, he's gonna take them out and replace them. So that's what he's doing. So thank you so much. 可以，谢谢。Usually I play a lot better than this way, but this is a very good factory. They even prepared something like billiard. They have table tennis. They have badminton. So all of the workers, once they are off work, they can spend a little bit of time over here. Have fun.